This is Steve with Craft Racing and More. And on today's update, we will be looking at painting. Yes, we painted the engine compartment of the RSX. The reason we only painted the engine compartment was because we don't need to paint the whole car yet. We wanted to get the engine compartment done so that we can go ahead and start bolting things into it and getting the engine back in there and turning it back into a roller. But so basically Thursday, which was 2 days ago, today's Saturday, we painted it at like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And it took like, it spent like 20 minutes doing the painting, and I also unboxed the new to us rack and pinion, which kind of got wrecked in the fire, which a lot of other stuff did too. So picked one up off of eBay. We've had it for several days, and finally Thursday I unboxed it and checked it out, and we've got to take it to a place where we're going to get the fittings changed on it so we can run braided line off of it, because we would like to not have a fire again like we did last time we raced the car. So all right, so that's all I got for you right now. Let's get into the video, and you can check out what we did. What do we have here? I guess I touched something, didn't I? I must have touched something. We just painted the car. Well, we just painted the engine compartment. We got ourselves a rack and pinion. All right, everybody, until the next update, we're out.